not rigid. The common unique is
Hey, sir. Sir. Let us see.
See, we need to get. There is an application by Lagos State to join the appeal, and that application has been taken, and the court reserved ruling as to whether to join Lagos State or not. Thereafter, we will proceed with the matters. That is the simple thing that took place today in court.
So are you satisfied?
What kind of talk is that? I am satisfied.
So what happens to the earlier order for maintenance of status quo? Is it still subsisting?
Has it been discharged?
The status quo will also substitute. Nigerians want to hear you, sir.
No, the application for Joinder was taken, judgment, ruling has been reserved. We don't say things that are pending before the court.
Well, one of the things the Lagos State government mentioned was this concern that the FIRS, your clients, will still go ahead to collect VAT. You know, that
when we get there, we'll cross.
There's an issue for...
we're waiting for the court. The court have said that whoever have anything to write, everybody is free to bring whatever you want to bring in. No more. So we wait for the direction from the court. If there's an application, we'll have the right to respond to.
So the concern of Lagos State again about this dissipation or the rest, is it not important?
We're saying let everybody be on the same level first. Then we can take up. Assuming Lagos is joined, we'll start all over again. And we're set for it.
When was that person you spoke to?